It's my age. I'm at that age. All men get to this age. Now, I don't know if women ever get to this age, but all men do. And I'm at the age, and some of you young people, you'll recognize your parents are at this age. I'm at the age. Let me see. Of course, you're not there. You're not there. You're pretty much there. You look like you should be there. And this guy, you've been there for a while. Now, what age am I talking about? I'm at the age, I'm starting to make noises when I don't want to make noises. I do any kind of work around the house, I make two noises. I make one noise when I do the work, another noise about a second later. And it sounds like I'm thinking about the work that I just did. I'll show you in a minute. You'll get it. Watch. Ah. Did you get it? Is that like your dad? Everything I do. I move a lamp in my house, a little floor lamp, a little 3-pound floor lamp. Ah. Huh. I make noises doing something as simple as sitting down. I come home at the end of the day, I sit in my chair at the end of the day. People actually go, you okay? I'm fine, I'm good, thank you. I got all the way down on my own, thank you very much.